Today was a calm day in Windy City. Oh no! The wind is getting stronger!
The city needs help!
The city needs help!
City repair needed!
We can fix it!
Let's go, team!
Okay, Fixie, I've got the pole steady.
Great, Diggy! Craney, can you swing that light over here when I lift this?
Affirmative, Fixie. Proceed with the lift. Proceed with the lift.
The big wind has passed! The big wind has passed! The big wind has passed! But the city needs fixing! Looks like that windstorm made quite a mess.
Don't worry, Dumpy. I can scoop this right up.
Looks like we have some work to do.
Let's clear this mess up quickly.
Time to fix the street.
The windstorm left a mess, but we can fix it.
I'm ready to haul away the dirt.
And I'm ready to dig. Let's work together. Looks like I'm needed. I see loose ground! I'll handle the lifting. I'll make it smooth again. I'll check the damage. Everyone has a job. Everyone has a job.
The base is loose. We have to fix the ground first.
The base is loose. We have to fix the ground first.
I'll dig carefully.
Let's get digging! This looks like a fun spot to start. The soil is too soft. The soil is too soft.
I'll lift it up slowly.
Hold it steady.
These bolts need tightening. Hold it steady, Craney. Tightening the bolts now. 1, 2, 3 clicks, all secure.
Nicely done, Fixie. I'll release the hook.
Concrete is ready! Concrete is ready!
I'm here with the concrete. Easy. Line it up perfectly. easy. Line it up perfectly.
Ready to pour. Slow and steady.
Just enough concrete to fill the crack. Take your time. Just enough concrete to fill the crack. Take your time.
All done! Nice and clean!
The sign base is perfectly secure now. Great job, team! We fixed it strong. That sign is strong and safe again.
Great teamwork!
The tree is blocking the road.
I will cut it carefully.
Slow and safe cutting. Loading finished.
Great job. Road is almost clear.
Teamwork success.
The road is blocked by a fallen tree. Let's work carefully.
I am ready.
Nice and slow. Cutting done. I will carry them away! All loaded.
The road is clear now.
Good teamwork!
The road is cracked. We need to fix it. Area secured.
Okay, backing up slowly with the fresh gravel right to the crack. Materials delivered. I'm heading back to the depot.
Great! I'll start clearing this cracked asphalt right away!
Be careful, Diggy.
All set! Time for me to go!
Be careful out there.
We will start the repairs.
Okay, rolling slowly towards the crack.
Ready for concrete. Here comes the concrete mixer. Hello, friends. I am ready to pour now. Okay, I am backing up to the cracks now. Ready to pour the concrete.
Just need to fill this crack carefully. And done! I'm all finished pouring the concrete.
Thanks, Rocky. Now I will smooth it out gently. There! All done pouring.
And I spread it nice and flat. I'm all finished pouring the concrete.
Thanks, Rocky. Now I will smooth it out gently. Smooth and strong.
Ooh, looks perfect.
Great job! Thanks for helping the city!